Yes. Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about short vowel sounds and also long vowel sounds. In previous classes, I have discussed you about how we are going to pronounce, how we are going to make an words pronunciation, and about consonants and vowels we have learned in the previous classes. Yes, how the alphabets in that alphabets how the consonants and vowels are divided. For each and every consonant also how we are going to pronounce the words. Yes, each and every letter how they are going to form a letters with the given alphabet. Yes, we have learnt that. Yes, but yes. So now coming to short vowel sounds. What are short vowel sounds and what are long vowel sounds? Nana, see first before knowing about short vowel sounds, I'm going to explain some words for you how we are going to pronounce. Now I'm going to write some words with the short vowel sounds so you can identify easily. Short vowel, short vowels. So let us learn some short vowels. Okay, for examples, vowels. First, vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. These are A, E, I, O, U. These are we are going to call A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So let us see some words which are related to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now for example, bat, bat. If, h, hen, bit. Yes, again, jam. Yes, and more, bun, bun, bun. hmm, oat. hmm, and more, bed, bed. Set, set. Red, red. Tag, tap. Rag, rag. Like bit, tin. Big, six. More, lid. Yes, like this different words are going to be seen. Cot, cot, dot, box, hop, log, and drop. Like this different words we are going to see. Fun, bus, bug, put, push, pull. Like this. See, can you see? Now here I'm going to use these vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels which are called short vowels. Why we are going to call these are short vowels? See, B, A, T, bat. Nana, the middle vowel. Can you see? Bat, jam, tag, tap, rag, and ramp, ram. See, in the middle word which we have used in these words are A letter. Yes, can you see A letter? Bat. We are going to pronounce only your A as a bat, jam, tag, tap, rag, rap, ram. Yes, so here coming to the letter E, hen, bed, set, red, run, ten. Yes, like this we can make many more words which are of short vowels. These are called short vowels which we are going to use by the letters A, E, I, O, U. We know A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. See, like this we call a short vowels like bit. See, in the middle words, each and every word you can observe them with the vowels only we have make a words. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. In each and every letter we are going to use letters A, E, I, O, U. Yes, and we make a words, and we are going to pronounce like bat, jam, tag, tap, rag, rain, yes, ram. So here you can easily can understand the pronunciation, uh, ba, ja, ta, a. A is A is pronounced as a. So here we are going to use that letter A. Okay, A is called over. E now. E, hen, bed, set, red, run, ten. Last which see he, be, se, re, te. Yes, here we are using E. E is the pronunciation of A. Okay, I. Now I we are going to pronounce in the words bit, tin, big, c, b, t, b, lid, li. Like this, the pronunciation of I will be. Okay, again cot. See here also you can see in the middle part all o, co, o, cot, dot, bog, hop. Where we are going to use the letter O, we are going to pronounce like O. Okay. Now you, bun, fun, bus, bug, put, push, pull, bun, bun, fun, bus. Yeah, like this. Where we are going to use the letter U, we are going to pronounce in the form of short vowels. These are called short vowels, Nana. You can write easily. So, for example, can I say some more with the sentence? Okay, how we are going to use the sentence in the form of short vowels. Okay, for example, for examples, uh, there is a bug in a mug. Okay, I sit in the hot sun. And see, let us see, take a more example. She has 10 tops. More. I had a jar of jam. And more, can you say? Mom can hop. Yes, I can run in the hot. More, my pet is at the clinic of the vet. Okay. Now one more example. Put the lid on the rub. See, these are the some of the examples. Can you see? There is a bug in a mug. Bug in a mug. These bug and mug which are related with the letters U, which are related, U is related to is oval. Bug, mug. These are short ovals. Yes. So like more like sit, sun, hot. Yes. And she has 10 tops here. O letter, E letter, and jar, jam, mom, hop, run, hot, pet, wet, and lid, rub. These are the some of the sentence which we are going to pronounce in the form of short vowels. Okay. Yes, did you understand about the short vowels, Nana? How to identify how we are going to pronounce the short vowels with the using of letters vowels, and how we are going to make a word, and how we are going to pronounce the word vowels. Yes, understood? Yes. So now in how we are going to make the sentences in the form of short vowels, everyone understood? Why I am going to tell these short vowels and long vowels? Because these are very important in section 2. That is, if they say to means, Nana, why I am going to tell this? Because the pronunciation and the reading of sentences and the reading of paragraph is a main important. So whenever you learn these short things, you can read the lesson and you can read the given paragraph in the exam very easily. So that's why again I started. So by that you can practice the paragraph like in the textbook. Okay, now let us move for long vowels. How long vowels are going to pronounce. Here can you observe the difference with the vowels of sounds of short and the long. In the short I'm used only 3 letters. Yes, more than 3 letters which are going to be tell that are long vowel sounds. Okay, they are long vowel sounds. Now let us see some examples on long vowels. Okay, let us see some more examples of long vowels. Yes, long vowel sounds. See, I have clearly explained about the short vowels sounds, how we are going to pronounce. With the less letters like 2 or 3 letters which are called as the short vowels, and with the more than 3 are nothing but long vowels. More than 3. Means more than 3 means we are going to make 3 letters or 4 letters to form a word. That is nothing but a long vowel shorts. Vowel sounds. With the using of vowels only we are going to make a long sound. Okay. Here I am going to write some examples on long vowels with the help of A, E, I, O, U. Only vowels. Okay. With the help A. For example, late, cave, gate, maid, mate. Yes, here can you observe A in the middle letter, and here can you see these of the word which are of 4 letters. Yes, 4 are making it the word late, cave, gate, and maid and mate. Okay, for example we see for E, feed, bead, lead, lead, and B, need, and more beam. Yes, see, you can see the letter E here. Okay, bike, fire, kind, time, mile, lime. Yes, like this I letter. Yes, and with bow. Now let us see some more examples with the letter O. Bone, rope, note. Yes, road, door, coat. Yes, and U. Tube, June, use, tune, huge, cube. Yes, these are the letters which we are going to learn as a long vowels. We are late, cave, gate, maid, mate. So I'm pronouncing long. Yes, can you listen the pronunciation? I'm pronouncing as a long vowel. Long. So I'm using a vowel. So that's why we are called a long vowel sounds. Here late, cave, gate, maid, mate, feed, bead, lead, bee, need, beam, bike, fire, kind, time, mile, line, bone, rope, hot, hate. More we can see hate also. Road, door, coat, tube, June, use, tune, huge, cube. Like this different words we can make with the form of vowels, with the long vowel and the short vowels. These are very important while you are reading the lesson. while you are reading in the lesson. So that's why I'm going to give you as a long vowels, and that's why I have explained about the short and long vowel sounds, which is more useful in the reading of lessons. So you can understand the easily pronunciation and easily can understand the word meaning easily. Okay, so try to read the lessons perfectly so you can understanding meaning easily, and you can understand the word perfectly, and you can read the lesson and pronunciation easily, and you can identify the word easily. By that you can answer the paragraph easily. Okay, again I'm going to show the examples of paragraph also, how to identify and how to understand. Okay, now let us see some more examples. So now pronunciation we have seen. Now in the form of sentences, we see. Okay, sentences. First example, I have prepared some of the examples for you, like Jack plays cricket every day. Okay, and one more example, Mike is on the bike. Ravi likes to play games. Sarah baked a cake. The ball is grey. Bake a big cake. The gate is big. So now in the form of sentences you can see Jack plays cricket every day. Here Jack. Here Jack is a long vowel. Plays cricket. Yes, I is also a where we are using cricket. Yes, here I is also an vowel. We are going to pronounce in a long vowel. Okay, Mike, Ravi, Sarah, gray, bake, cake, gate, big, it is a short, gate, it is a long one, more than 2-3 words. Yes, like this we can pronounce the sentences easily. Okay, did you understand how to pronounce the long and short vowels, how to make the sentences in the form of long and short? Okay, these are very important grammar, Nana, from the alphabets. Why I have told you, because it is very easy to learn and very easy to understand the lessons while reading, and how to identify the sentences easily. It is very important, so I have told you from the starting. So try to understand and make perfect in the reading. Okay, and more I want to tell you about the vowel sounds. Means how we are going to learn to pronounce if there are 3 more words. Okay, if there are 3 more words like ample, apple, and how we have learnt, we can take more letters, like apple. A for apple, A is an vowel. A for ant, A is an vowel. A for more, any, A for any, any for anything. So like this, elephant, egg, E for more, enrich. Yes, I for ice cream, iron, oval, octopus, mare, umpire, umbrella. Like this, different types of words we can use vowel sounds. Okay, and Nana, if you get these, if you can understand these words, what I told you now, please note in the note in your notebook, and you can write few more similar words which are related with the short A sounds, E sounds, I sounds, U sounds and O sounds, and with the similar you can take the different things of a long A sound, a long E sounds, long I sound, a long U sound, long O sounds. Please, if you understand how to make a sounds, how to make a short and long sounds with the using vowels, that is a e I o u. Yes, please write few more similar words in your notebook and please send to me. See, I'm going to correct in a separate, I'm going to give a date you in that form, in that I'm going to correct your books. Okay, so try to write more few words which are related with the sounds of short and long words. Okay, only with the use of vowels. After that we learn consonants. Consonants also we have learned and we are perfect with that now. So in next class I'm going to uh, uh, with the puzzles, Nana, with the puzzles also you can use, if you take with the help of newspapers or any book, if you take why then, if you collect some newspapers and you can round off the long and short ovals, and also you can take different different colors and you can make underline with the different different colors which are related. For example, yellow are of a long and pink are of a short, you can keep like that and you can do the colors in the, and you can read the sentences and you can read the words in the newspaper and you can identify easily. By that you can understand what are long and short ovals. Okay, so that is also one of the practice, Nana. So you have grown up now, so you have grown up so easily to understand to reading. Again I have told, so go to the lessons, go to the lessons and complete that work. Okay, thank you.